Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw makeup set. First, we are going to draw eyeshadow palette. A small mirror. Heart shape, eyeshadows. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Let's draw brush, mascara, lipstick, now we will draw nail paint. Do you like nail paint? Let's make it more prominent. Now let's color together. We are using light green color. This is light green color. Subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. We are using light green color. This is light green color. Which color is this? This is light green color. Light green color. Which color? This is light green color. Good job. Red color, red color, yellow color. This is yellow color. Purple color. This is purple color. Pink color. This is pink color. Dark green color. This is dark green color. Brown color. This is brown color. Light blue color. We are using light blue color. Light blue color. Which color is this? This is light blue color. Light blue color. Good job. Pink color. Pink color. To color the heart, we are using pink color. Purple color. To color the mascara, we are using purple color. Brown color. This is brown color. To color the lipstick, we are using pink color. This is pink color lipstick. Light green color. Light green color. Orange color. This is orange color. Red color. To color the nail paint, we are using red color. Light blue color. This is light blue color. Yellow color. This is yellow color. Purple color. Pink color. This is pink color. Which color is this? This is pink color. Good job. light blue color. Orange color, to color the brush we are using orange color. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.